Have you ever wondered how you can see every single call and traces of all the LLM models that you've used in an AI platform? Well, we can do that in FlowHunt. Let me show you how you can do that. Hi, my name is Aisha Kahani, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Langfuse in order to get yourself some system data and some statistics about your costs and your different models and how many traces you have on those models. So first things first, we need to start off in Langfuse. This is what's going to look like after we're done with the integration. I've only done 3 different LLM calls since I tried this in the computer, but we're going to do more together. So what we can do is we can first of all go to our main dashboard on Langfuse. You're not going to have any of these projects unless you've used it before, of course. So first things first, we need to go and create ourselves a new organization. So we can call it FlowHunt test, and it can be personal, company, startup, whatever, right? So create, and then we can go on to next, and then we need to create a new project. Now I'm gonna call this FlowHunt test as well, so that it's just simple. Cutest, sure, cutest, whatever. So create, and then here we can have some API keys. We do want that, so let's create ourselves the API keys. It's gonna give us 3 different, so it's gonna be secret key, public key, and our host. And we're going to use these to integrate into FlowHunt. So you need to go to your FlowHunt dashboard now and scroll all the way down in the left tab area and click on general settings. Here you can go to observability and choose Langfuse. You can click on configure, and then you have 3 little boxes that you can fill out. It's the public key, the secret key, and the host, which are the exact same things that we got from Langfuse. So we can copy our secret key and enter it here. So we can do that with our public key and our host. Now that we've entered these, we can click on activate. And now our driver is activated. So if we go back here and then say, hey, skip for now, we can see that everything is 0 right now, which is completely normal because from now on, all the requests that have been made from that specific workspace that you have integrated Langfuse into is going to be recorded here. So if I were to go to my flows and click on test and say, hey, what's up? That is a call. So we are going to be able to see this. So the AI agent is thinking right now, and there we go. This is a single call. So this is going to cost us money, and there's going to be 1 trace that we've put back into our records in Langfuse. So I don't think this is going to be instant. It's going to take a few minutes for sure. So we're going to wait until our single trace is here, and then we'll cut to that. Okay, so a little time has passed. I did 3 more calls, and with different models, right? So I did some Google searches with GPT 4.1, and I just asked about some Game of Thrones character from GPT 2.5 Pro and Cloud Sonnet. So as you can see here, now we have 4 total traces, and we can see the different prices for each of them. So Gemini 2.5 Pro, 808 tokens was $0.027. Now, the reason why it's a little bit more expensive is because I actually use the Google search tool. The GPT 4.1 Nano, I did the same, and we got ourselves 0.006878, so it's much cheaper. And then at the middle, we have Cloud Sonnet 4.5. For some reason, the tokens are 0. They're not supposed to be 0, but it did not use the Google search component, this one, so I suppose the model itself is a bit more expensive because it's right in between both of them, but it didn't use those 2 use a tool, but this one didn't. So it's a more expensive model, we can say. So why would you need this? Why would you need this dashboard, right? So for example, let's say you create a ticketing AI automation and you want to check which AI model is the best and the most cost effective, right? So you can reset this dashboard And then from today until like 2 weeks from now, you can let this thing just run its course, and then you can check how much money you spent. And then you can do that with different models that are viable for your use case, and then come to a conclusion after a month that, hey, this model is the best one given the price, right? So you can check all of that, and then of course you can check all the failures, all the traces that didn't do anything. You can see, hey, this one cost money but didn't have any tokens, so that's a failed one. And it's just a way to analyze and put all the data together to see what's best for you and how you can change and improve and optimize your flows and your workspace. So yeah, if you have any questions about this integration, please let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.